Hello, children. Well, today we're going to work on the activity book at page 27. Look at page 27. Unit 3, Lesson 5. Exercise 1. Find, circle, and write for you. Here you have a crossword and you will have to find these instruments, all these instruments here, okay? And you will circle the instrument, for example, guitar, okay? That is here. And then write. Number 1, I can't play the guitar. You will circle can or can't depending if you can play the guitar or if you cannot play the guitar. The same, you will do the same with all these other instruments, ¿ok? Es acerca de ustedes y van a circular el can si pueden tocar este instrumento, por ejemplo, de guitar, y si no pueden, van a circular el can't. Well, have a look at exercise number 2. Read and write true or false and write sentences. For example, here, this is Sam. There is a cross in the violin and a tick in the guitar. So when it says here, he can play the guitar, it's true. He can play the violin. Can he play the violin? Look, there is a cross here. So it's false. False. Okay, false. You will do the same with Susie, Charlie, and Anna. Now, let's have a look at page 28, exercise 1. It says, unjumble the words and label. You have different words here that are all mixed up, okay? And you need to put the words in order, unjumble. And write them here under the pictures. For example, picture number 1, some. This is some, okay? The word some, S-A-M, some. If you put them in order, it says some. So you cross, okay, the words that you need to use and you write them under the picture. Look at picture number 2, for example. Swim. Okay, swim. Look, swim. If you put in order all the words or the letters, you will read swim. The same you will do with picture number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let's read exercise number 2. It says match, listen and check. Well, you will have to match, to draw a line from this column to this column and then from this column to this column. Okay? For example, he can skate and he can sing. Well, now you will listen to me and match. You will draw a line from one sentence to another sentence, okay? From one column to another column. So, let's begin. He can skate and he can sing. He can run, but he can't swim. Can he play the violin? Yes, of course he can. Squeak, squeak, squeak goes the violin. He can skate and he can sing. He can run, but he can't swim. Can he play the piano? Yes, of course he can. Plonk, plonk, plonk goes the piano. Well, for example, he can run, but he can't swim. So you will draw a line from here to here. Well, let's go now to page 29. Here you have different pictures. It says match and write. Brass section, string section, percussion section, and wind section. You will find out at which section belongs this instrument, these musical instruments. For example, this one, okay? This picture, look at this picture. You will draw a line as it is done here and write percussion section. Let's do together this first picture, the recorder and the oboe. The oboe and the recorder. Look here. This is the picture, okay? So you will write wind section, because these two instruments belong to the wind section. So you will do the same with the other pictures. Now have a look at exercise number 2. You have to invent your own music group. Draw and write. Van a dibujarse ustedes con la banda que ustedes inventen, ¿sí? Con los instrumentos que quieran tocar. Y van a escribir acá, como dice, this is me. Este soy yo, this is me. I can, y van a enumerar todos los instrumentos que pueden tocar. This is another person, okay? Otra persona, a member of the group, okay? This is, and you write the name. He or she can play, and the instrument that he or she can play. And the same with this sentence. Look, to finish this unit, we're going to do this project. Find out and write about a famous music group. ¿Ok? Van a averiguar información sobre un grupo de música famoso que a ustedes les guste. ¿Ok? And write, y escribir something similar to this. Van a escribir algo similar a esto acerca de ese grupo musical que elijan. ¿Ok? You can draw, okay, the music group, or you can print a picture and stick it on your folders, ¿sí? Lo van a pegar o dibujar en sus carpetas y van a escribir, ¿sí? Algo muy parecido a esto. This is and the name of the group, okay, the music group. They can, y todos los instrumentos que puede tocar la banda, ¿sí? This is el nombre de uno de los miembros y lo que puede hacer he or she, depende de si es un he or she, can play y el instrumento que pueden tocar. Lo mismo con otro miembro de la banda, ¿ok? Another member of the music group. Well, ese va a ser el proyecto y me lo van a enviar junto con las hojas que terminamos de hacer recién a mi email para corregir. Goodbye.